Hello out there, all you geographers, and welcome to this how-to video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your own map onto Datawrapper. So I've gone into create new map, choropleth map, and let's say I'm going to start looking for my map now. Now the good thing about Datawrapper is that it already has a lot of preloaded maps ready to go for you. So let's say I wanted to do a map on Sierra Leone. Now it comes up with the 4 provinces of Sierra Leone here. However, I might need a map that's more detailed. Or another example is Fiji. So Datawrapper doesn't actually have a map on Fiji. So how do we work around this? We upload our own map. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to put the link for this website, AmeriGeo's HDX datasets. So a really great website to gather the codes you're going to need to input this data. The other website you're going to need to is GeoJSON, and I'll put the link to that in the description of this video as well. So one thing to help you with gathering the information you need to upload your own data is typing in this phrase called subnational administrative boundaries. So that's going to help you with those types of more specific maps. So let's say I want to find one on Sierra Leone that's more detailed than the one that Datawrapper gave me. Now here I've got a couple of options I can choose from. If you read the description of each of these data sets carefully, it'll tell you when the data was collected. So for instance, I might want to choose some of the information that is in this data set here. And I'll just wait for that to load. So as you scroll down, you'll see these names of the files and then some general descriptions of what they're about. So this one called ADMO is just a basic outline boundary of Sierra Leone. So I'll show you as an example for that one. So here I right clicked and went download. Now I'm just going to press Control A, and that's going to highlight the whole thing for me. And I'm going to press Control C, and I'm going to go into GeoJSON. I'm going to backspace all of that, and then I'm going to press Control V. So that gives me a basic outline of Sierra Leone. That's a pretty easy map. So let's say I want something a little more complicated than that. I need to scroll down, and you'll see I've gone to ADM 1, 2, and now 3, and now ADM 4. I'll show you a more specific version. So again, I go Explore, Download, Control A, Control C to copy it over, getting rid of this HTML code here, and pressing Control V again. And you'll see that'll come up with a more specific map for me there. However, let's say I don't want to use this map at all. I actually want to press Control A to get rid of all of this. 1,324 lines of code. Then press backspace. Alright, I want to find some stuff on Fiji because there's not even a map for Fiji. So I'm going to go back. Type in my phrase there, that's going to help me out. Alright, now I've got data from 2010 here, or maybe I want to use this 2017 data, it's more recent, so I'm going to select that data set there. Alright, and I'm going to scroll down. So there's some pretty basic ones here. Let's say I want an ADM2, so something that's more specific than a basic outline, but is not as specific as that map that I just showed you before. So again, I'll go download like so, Control A, Control C, then go back into here and then press Control V. Now that's taken me to Antarctica there. That's because with GeoJSON, some of the smaller countries will automatically go there. However, I have this really nice map of Fiji if I just go and find Fiji like so. Alright, now let's say I'm ready to save this and upload it to Datawrapper. I want to save it as a GeoJSON file. It'll download in my downloads like so. Don't have to worry about this anymore. Now, I want to press on upload my own map. I've done a couple of tests, so that's why these are here. That's my most recently downloaded file there. So I'll go open. And you'll see that will load for me now. Like so. And then I can go and proceed. And the really valuable thing is that because of that data, it automatically knows what provinces make up Fiji in that map. So that's really good. So I'm ready to upload that file and continue with that. And guys, that is how you upload your own map onto Datawrapper. Thanks for watching.